Namaskar. So many people tell me that they have a lot of trouble sleeping nicely. They even wake up multiple times during night or they just can't go to sleep at all. Sleep is very important for our body. It repairs the body at the cellular level and gives the mind time to rest and reorganize. Let me tell you, bad sleep is the reason for many problems. Let me teach you how you could improve your sleep naturally. For restful, undisturbed sleep, you must know the right position you sleep in. There is an interesting proverb in Gujarati that says, Undha sue abhagiya, chatta sue rogi, Daba suve sansari ane jamna suve jogi. What this means is that there are 4 sleeping positions in which most of us lie down and sleep. Those who are sad or depressed prefer lying down on stomach. People who are sick and have big bellies and are prone to snoring lie on their back. The third position is also known as Vama Kukchi, sleeping on the left side. This is the sleep for householders. Householders have lots of responsibility and need more energy and vigor to fulfill their duties. This is attained by sleeping on the left side, which opens the right nostril or Surya Nadi, which is energizing in nature. It gives you energy and strength. Therefore, such people like to sleep on their left side. The fourth position is to sleep on the right side. This opens up left nostril or Chandra Nadi, which is cooling in nature. This calms the system, quiets the mind, and brings detachment. I tell people that householders should sleep on both the sides, the left side and the right side. It energizes us as well as quiets the mind. Above all, your body knows what position it needs. So listen to your body feeling, your body language, and sleep accordingly. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Having a regular sleep schedule is the next step for good sleep. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This will regulate body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Be comfortable when you sleep. This is very important. Wear comfortable clothes when you are trying to rest or sleep. Don't wear anything that is too tight or strains your muscles, because then your body will simply won't be able to relax. Don't use electronics at night. It is about a mistake so many of us make while trying to go to sleep. The mistake is that we use electronic devices such as TV, computers, and smartphones when we are about to go to sleep. The blue light emitted by these devices can interfere with melatonin production and disrupt our sleep. Don't use your electronics or even your phone at least half an hour before your sleep. Yoga and meditation are the excellent ways to sleep naturally. They help reduce stress and anxiety, which are common obstacles to good sleep. Practice gentle yoga asanas like Viprit Karni, leg up the wall pose, and Balasana, child pose. These will relax your body and mind, helping you drift off to sleep. You can also try deep belly breathing and or meditating to improve sleep. Diet and hydration significantly affect our sleep. What you eat and drink impacts the quality of your sleep. Avoid tea or coffee after sunset, as the caffeine can disrupt sleep pattern. Have a light dinner that is easy to digest, since eating too much can cause discomfort and interfere with sleep. Stay hydrated throughout the day, but reduce fluid intake in the evening to avoid waking up to use the bathroom at night. Lastly, limit your daytime nap to improve your sleep at night. A short nap of 10 to 30 minutes during day is okay, but long or irregular naps during the day can negatively affect the nighttime sleep. Avoid napping late in the afternoon or evening, as this can make it harder to fall asleep at night. Our bad habits can spoil our sleep. All you need to do to improve your sleep is to improve your habits. So take these simple steps and correct your own mistakes, and you will be enjoying the undisturbed sleep through the night. Namaskar.